Yeah, man. Yes, it's Joshua's programming. You get me? Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick little video how to use how to generate random numbers in Java. So there's three ways, right? I'm gonna show you the first one, and after that I might do two more videos on the different methods of trying to generate random numbers, right? So I'm gonna do it real quick, make it simple and all that, right? So first of all, what you gotta do is import the Java.Util.Random class. Yeah, so you go to here, import Java.Util.Random like that. Then we're gonna go and instantiate the class object or random, right? Let's do random. Let's call it rand. You usually see rand when others want to program with a random number, right? Equals new random, right? So that right there is the instantiation of the class, right? And then from there we want to generate the random integer in the range. So we're gonna call it int, right? Let's call it r1 or rand1 or rand_1, but I'm gonna call it r1, right? Equals rand, right? The object dot next int. Now we want to put the range, so it will assume that we start off at 0, and if you put 100, it will be 0 to 99. So it will generate a number from 0 to 99. If you put 1,000, 0 to 999, etc. Right? If you put something like 50, it'll be 49, like that. So we're gonna go with 100 to keep it basic. Make it 99, right? Don't forget the semicolon as well. Okay. After that, all we want to do is do a little print statement like that. Let's put random number colon concatenation. Just put R1. Then we should get it, right? And we can obviously run it all over again. So first of all, we get 59 for our first input. Secondly, we get 10. Yeah. So let's give you a random number from 0 to the range that was given. Right? If that makes any sense. Right? I'm talking really fast right now, man. But that's literally it. I'm gonna do another video, a different way to do the random generation, and I'll go back into inheritance, OOP, all that sort of stuff. Yeah. So like, subscribe, share. Peace out, man.